Hi there, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this MORryde cushioned fifth wheel pin box. This is going to replace the current pin box that you have installed on your fifth wheel trailer. This will provide a much smoother and more comfortable towing experience because of the cushion property that this one has. This will work on your fifth wheel trailers that have a 14,001 pound up to 18,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. This is designed specifically to replace the Lippert 1716 pin box. So if you have the Lippert 1716 pin box currently installed on your fifth wheel trailer, you can trust that this is going to work for you. If not, I will go over a few measurements here in a few minutes to make sure that this will work for your application as well. So the way that this is going to help cushion our ride is it does have a rubber shear spring in here. So the component that attaches to your trailer on the top here is actually only loosely attached to the component that your kingpin here that's going to slide into your hitch. So those are kind of interlocked, but they're still free moving. So that rubber shear spring in there is going to be dampening any motion between the two components so that you're not going to have as much jarring motion at your connecting points. It's going to help reduce that back and forth chucking that you often get when you're towing. It's going to help dampen road shock so that any road shock that the trailer experiences isn't going to be transferred up to your cab and vice versa. So it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. You're not going to have to worry about those stop and start jerks that you normally have to deal with when you're towing. So that rubber shear spring is going to be really nice, give us that cushion feel so that we have a much more comfortable ride. The amount of movement that that's going to allow is 3 inches fore and aft, as well as 1.5 inches side to side. So like I said, quite a bit of movement allowed in there, but that rubber shear spring is going to be absorbing a lot of that as the two components move between each other. Now this is going to give us a weight capacity of 18,000 pounds, so it is going to be great for your trailers with the 18,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Keep in mind, this will not increase your overall gross vehicle weight rating of your trailer. So if your trailer is rated for lower than that, you will have to go with that lower number to be safe for all the components. Now, for those of you who don't have the Lippert 1716 pin box, or maybe if you do and you just want a little bit more reassurance that this is going to work for you, I'm going to give you a few measurements here. So from our kingpin down here, I've kind of estimated a line going up. So from where our kingpin is over to our first mounting hole, it's right about 20.5 inches. From our kingpin to our rear mounting hole here, it's going to be 29.25 inches. From our mounting holes, they are right about 4.5 inches center to center. From our front to our middle, again 4.5 from our middle to our rear. And then from top to bottom, they're right about 2.5 inches. And our overall width here, where it's going to be mounted on our trailer, it's right about 12.5 inches. So it should be very easy to get installed. I say easy, but really this is very heavy, so you're definitely going to need more than one set of hands. You might need to back your truck up with your hitch installed to remove your old one, and then get this one installed. It's a very straightforward process. So basically you just undo the bolts on the old one, pull that one off, put this one in its place, and if your hardware is still good, you can use that same hardware to get this one installed as well. This is going to be really nice in that it requires a lot less maintenance than your air-filled springs. So some of the other options on the market there, you do have to worry about making sure that you have enough air pressure in that air spring so it's not going to collapse in on itself and that sort of thing. With this, once you get it installed, it's going to do the job for you. You're not going to have to worry about a whole lot of maintenance like that. And this is going to exceed the CSA standards, so you can trust it is a nice quality product. It is made here in the USA, so again, you can trust it's made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the U.S. So if you are a fifth wheel trailer owner, you're looking to have a little bit more cushion, more comfortable ride, I think this is going to be a great option for you. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Thanks for watching.